Hello and welcome back. Today we are going to check out the Mizen burr from option O. Today I'm going to test two things today. How easy to replace the burrs on P64, and also it's going to be any taste difference between HU burrs versus the Mizen burrs. And I already have HU burrs inside already. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to grind some coffee before I'm going to replace the burr. Okay? And after that, I'm going to put through about a couple of pounds of coffee beans to season it a little bit for the Mizen burr. And after, I'm going to again grind another coffee, and let's do a side-by-side comparison. Is there any difference in flavor? Okay, I'm very curious about that as well. These burrs are they have a special coating as well. It's called moonshine coating, just kind of like SSP, the red speed coating as well. Just another coating, another name for a different coating. Just like moonshine, guys, very shiny. Okay, folks, let's get going. I'm gonna set aside this coffee for the comparison later. Now let's remove the burrs and replace it. As you can see, everything is all so well designed, so tight. Just gonna take it out here. Make sure everything's go in perfect fit. Okay. So this is the HU burrs. So that's the bottom and top. And if you're looking at the Mizen burrs, they have indicator top, and that's bottom. Let's start with the top burr. So I already marked it with, so that's my top position there. So we need a flathead screwdriver to remove the 3 screws and replace that with Mizen burr. Top burrs, just make sure you gotta match that with Mizen burr as well. Just make sure everything is all correct. So clean inside. We got such just tiny bit of coffee grinds inside. So precise. Just make sure give it a good clean here. To place the burrs in the carrier. Just repeat the process. So now top burr is done. Okay. So now we are going to work on the bottom burrs. When you're working on the bottom burrs, so just make sure you get all the coffee grinds out on this screw head there. I know some people likes to put screwdriver inside to hold secure the wear, but I just like to use some kind of wooden stick. Hold like that. Again, whatever, just do whatever easier for you. I'm just gonna go like this. I'm just gonna start with just one at a time. I'm not gonna take it out at once. I'm just gonna loosen it first. There we go. 2. Let's just remove the screws there. But now is the fun part. We have to remove the burrs. As you can see, they're extremely tight there. Okay, I prefer use the chopstick. Yes, since I don't like to use the metal to pry open, because I don't like to scratch things. So use the chopstick. Just work it. Okay, just work it slowly. You don't have to go fast. All right, just take your time, and eventually it's gonna come out. Okay, eventually take your time. You see that's slowly coming up right now. Okay, I know people has a better way to do it. Let me know. Okay, but so far this is the best way I've found. Okay, again, so that case you're not gonna scratch or damage any of your machine there. And after that, you just give it a quick clean. Okay, just another clean. So now, as you can see, nice and clean inside there. We can install the Mizen burr, the bottom section. Again, just make sure the bottom indicates. Just take your time. It's gonna be a little tight as well. Just place it right. There we go. Now we can screw back one at a time. Those 3 screws. Before I'm gonna secure the 3 burrs. Number 2. Okay, I think we are good here. Let's take a look. Okay, very quiet. So let's put everything back together. Inside. So before that was my 0 point right there. Now I'm moved down to. I'm just gonna go slowly. Right there. So I'm tripping at 6, okay? 6 right now. Before, I was at 8, 8.5. Now I'm at 6. Goodness. So that's my tripping point. So grind some coffee earlier, about what, 30 minutes ago. So this is the coffee grind HU. So we are going to do some comparison right away. All right, let's do 13-gram dose. So now we are brewing coffee with the HU burrs here. I like using April as my kind of like test the brew quality. I'm going to be doing 30-gram circle, 70-gram center. So up to 100. I'm going to wait about 35 seconds. I'm going to repeat the process about, again, 30 gram. There we go. Let's work on the next one. So this is Mizen, also known as the omniburs. .30-gram circle. .70-gram middle. Cheers. Okay, jasmine is there, berry is there, but it's not as sweet. Okay, let's put it out. So this is the Mizen. Cheers. Yeah, sweeter, brighter. Yeah, it's pretty silky smooth, very smooth. Yeah. Okay, so let's summarize this. If you guys are looking for something multi-purpose, okay, if you want to do good espresso and especially good filter coffee, I think you might want to kind of lean into like Mizen. Okay, Mizen burr is more for your speed. And if you are looking for something really clarity, and then especially espresso, you want to see the separation of your tasting notes, those flavors. MP, okay, MP you're gonna like. and then you are into more traditional espresso, you want to go to HU. I mean, all those three burrs handle the filter coffee. That's not a problem. But if you're looking for something sweeter, I think I go with. So something sweeter, you want to go with Mizen. Okay, if you're at the optional burr options there, something clean. MP is way to go. Okay, something cleaner taste. The separation of flavor. If you know something like robust, I think HU. I think that's kind of like what I'm getting at right now. Okay, see you next time.